So after a few hours in the sun, you should just be able to peel it off the stem and crumple it with your hands, put it in the strainer. The water just started to boil. Now I'm going to put these mullein tea leaves from the property in, and let's go. Oh, nice. Just got done simmering. Me and my dad are going to have glasses of nice mullein tea with raw honey inside. We have a strainer so we don't get any of the hairs that they could bother your throat, so we're going to strain them out. So let's get it. We just got back into the house. I got some nice mullein tea here. It's supposed to be really good and healthy for you. And let's give it a taste. Hey everybody, it's Clayton. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys and give you guys a tutorial on how to make some mullein tea. So step 1, get a big plant like this, or you could buy grounded up versions, but this tastes way better in my opinion. And step 2, leave it out to dry in the sun for a couple of hours, and once the leaves get all crumply, then you go on to step 3. Hey everybody, it's Clayton. So after a few days, we're back here in the Bay Area. I'm having myself a nice cold drink underneath the tiki bar, having a little football night with the family. Here in a moment, I will show you the rest of the steps on how to prepare mullein tea. Stay tuned. So after a few hours in the sun, you should just be able to peel it off the stem and crumple it with your hands. Put it in the strainer, which is step 3. Step 4 is washing it all off, and then you put it into the pot to make some tea. So after you get it all into the bowl, we're going to go wash it off over in the tiki sink. So let's go do that. Come on, Rox. Roxy is, as always, is my assistant for today's video. The mullein plant has hairs on them, so you wash it off so all the hairs come off so they're not in your tea when you drink it. So that's why we wash the plant. Alright, it's time for the pot.
Okay, so while Clayton's in there doing homework, Mom and I are at the tiki bar watching football. The little tiki bar. There's Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
What's up? The dog wants out, but check this out. Got dinosaur beef ribs on the grill. That looks pretty good. I'm thinking we got some good kibbles tonight. Perfect. Then we're making that rest of that mullein tea.
Hey everybody, I'm back at the Tiki Bar. After a beautiful dinner of dino ribs cooked to perfection by my dad and my mom set the table, it was to die for. We've also been sampling our meats from Texas, the breakfast sausage from Oryx, and we made spaghetti and hamburgers from the Axis Deer Neil guy, which were way too good. Anyway, we're gonna let the water finish boiling and then put the tea leaves in, and then we'll have tea.
A little football action right here with Clayton boiling some mullein tea.
Yeah.
After a nice dinner. And here we go.
The water just started to boil. Now I'm going to put these mullein tea leaves from the property in, and let's go. Oh, nice. Just straight in. Cook some more. Get it all in there. Alright, there we go. That's nice. And now just let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. It's a beautiful night here in Northern California, but it got a little chilly, so we turned on the nice heaters. Now it started to warm up. Also, got the tea underneath the barbecue simmering away. You have Roxy the dog with us, chilling at the Tiki Bar. Silly dog.
What?
She's saying
What
like
the?
and subscribe.
What the? What? What? What?
She's telling you guys to like and subscribe.
Dog. Dog. Hey, dog. Dog. Sit. What do you gotta say? Can you speak? Huh? What? Can you say something? Huh? Talk to Daddy. What? Silly goose.
Just got done simmering. Me and my dad are gonna have glasses of nice Mullein tea with raw honey inside. We have a strainer so we don't get any of the hairs that they could bother your throat, so we're gonna strain them out. So let's get it. Alright. Nice 2 cups of tea. Time to put some raw honey inside. Alright. Here you go, sir. Now we have 2 cups of Mullein tea. Cheers.
Thank you, son. Very good job, buddy.
You're welcome, Dad. We just got back into the house. I got some nice Mullein tea here. It's supposed to be really good and healthy for you. And let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Cheers. That Mullein tea was sure tasty. I can't wait for our next adventure at our buddy's property. And this thing, gonna go hunt some pigs. Should be fun.